Hey everybody, my name is Cami Craig and I teach 8th grade math, Advanced Algebra 1 and Advanced Algebra 2 for Marsteller Middle School, which is in Prince William County Schools. I also teach Algebra 2 for Virtual Prince William, Prince William's Virtual High School. We used to be Virtual High School at Prince William County Schools, but we rebranded it a little bit. And I also help to develop some of the math courses for VPW. I don't think there is something new and exciting in my life. I was thinking I didn't have anything, but after a year and a half without a car payment, I paid off credit cards and I just got a new Jeep. So it's just the Jeep Cherokee, but it's brand new and it's mine and it makes me happy. So that's my big news for the discussion board. So in 767, okay, I did a unit on, it's up here, it's a big one, on quadratic functions. So we talked about relations and functions, evaluating functions, introduction to quadratics, then we did graphing in both vertex and standard form, and finally, finding the equation of a curve of best fit or a line of best fit. And I know that's not the order that Fairfax and Loudoun goes, but that's the order that Prince William goes. I incorporated this so that this could be done either totally asynchronously or as a blended unit. Created all of my own videos. I know that one's a little long, but this lets the kids take guided notes and videos. So every lesson has a video from me. It's in Canvas, so I know people aren't going to do it. And then I just included the available tools that we have for different activities, like IXL. I did some things with scavenger hunts, had fun with some tests and quizzes. I had some traditional worksheets, a Mad Lib, which I probably can't share with you because it's off Teacher Pay Teacher. But had fun trying the different kinds of questions that I can do for quizzes and tests. So this was of course you can't see them, I guess I gotta view it as a student, or preview. Because we did some drag and drops. Are these functions? Different kinds of true-false questions. Fill in the blank. Some more drag and drops. So just tried a variety of different questions, and we even have some questions, or I even have some questions in later quizzes where students have to upload their work with their graphing quadratics. So I'm looking forward to working with everyone this summer. So I always say at the end of my videos, have a math-tastic day.